pay attention, okay? Amazon affiliate marketing on Instagram step by step. Now, how you can get this new program is released yesterday or in this month. You need update your app first, okay? Update your Instagram, and when you are finished, open your app. Now in this moment, this program only is released in USA and UK, okay? Example, I live in Colombia. I must wait for maybe 1 month more or 2 months more, okay? Now when you are here, you need have your professional profile, okay? Something like that, professional dashboard. If you don't have this, you need change your profile. Example, touch in edit profile, and here, okay, when you are see a sentence in blue, can you see now you have here one option more, okay? Change to profile, professional profile, something like that. Now when you have your professional dashboard, touch here, and in your tools, can you see that option, okay? Amazon affiliate program. You just need open your Amazon account here, and then when you make a new post, okay, reel or picture, you can see in your settings new function or new option, okay? Add or tag your product with Amazon, and this is all. If you make a sale, okay, if somebody buy something with your link, you make money, okay? A little bit money, okay? This is all. Sorry for my bad English. Have a good day and see you later.